जश्न है भारत, रग रग में है जीत की आदत, ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन भी सलामी दे। तू सूरज हम तेरे उजाले, तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले, आखिर तक हम सफर तिरंगे के। जय हिंद जो नस नस में है, हर बाजी फिर बस में है, सिंध खान के हिंदुस्तान बोले। सुजलाम सुफलाम।
With a very unique purpose, that is to save the Mother Earth, and मुझे ये कहते हुए बहुत खुशी मिल रही है. In fact, as a director, I'm very proud of Bhumika because उन्होंने एक साल में अपने अंदर जो बदलाव लाया है, बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत की है उन्होंने, एक्सेल किया है, यानी कि उन्होंने जो पर्सनल इंटरव्यू राउंड था उन्होंने 10 out of 10 स्कोर किया. ये अनाउंसमेंट भी हुआ था जो स्कोर से दिया गया था. नेशनल कॉस्ट्यूम में उनका हाई स्कोरिंग था और इवनिंग गाउन में भी उनका हाई स्कोरिंग था, और इस तरीके से उन्होंने भारत और यूएमबी पैजेंट्स को बहुत ही प्राउड करते हुए मिसेस अर्थ एलीट का खिताब जीता.
नहीं एक जश्न है भारत, रग रग में है जीत की आदत, ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन भी सलामी दे. तू सूरज हम तेरे उजाले, तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले, आखिर तक हम सफर तिरंगे के. जय हिंद जो नस नस में है, हर बाजी फिर बस में है, सिंध खान के हिंदुस्तान बोले. सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम. सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज.
છોકરો મોટો થઈ ગયો હતો એન્ડ આઈ વોન્ટેડ ઓલવેઝ એક જ છોકરો છે 22 યર્સનો.
ओके.
एंड ऑलवेज वांटेड कि यू नो बचपन से वो नहीं सपना होता है कि पैशन होता है, बट कभी टाइम नहीं मिला बिकॉज एज ऑलवेज करियर को प्रायोरिटी रखा था, बच्चे एंड ऑल दैट. अब बच्चा बड़ा हो गया तो मैंने बोला, उसका ब्रेक किया था, पढ़ के आया था, तो मैंने बोला यूएमबी पैजेंट्स के थ्रू जो इनका है, शी इज़ अ डायरेक्टर ऑफ यूएमबी पैजेंट्स, तो आई अप्लाइड फॉर मिसेस इंडिया एंड आई वन सेकंड रनर अप डिसेम्बરમાં અલીટ કેટેગરીમાં. તો અહીંયા પણ યુ હેવ લાઈક 4 કેટેગરીઝ. યંગ છોકરીઓ માટે છે મિસિસ કેટેગરી, એન્ડ પહેલાંના ટાઈમે એકચ્યુઅલી આ બધી કેટેગરી હતી જ નહીં. ઇટ વોઝ ઓનલી ફોર ધ અનમેરિડ યુ નો ફિમેલ, બટ નાઉ પેજન્ટ્રી ઇઝ ઓલ્સો ઇવોલ્વિંગ. દે આર ગેટિંગ ડિફરન્ટ કેટેગરીઝ. સ્પેશિયલી યુએમબીમાં એવું હતું કે નો એજ ક્રાઇટેરિયા, નો સાઇઝ ક્રાઇટેરિયા, યુ હેવ ટુ બી ઓથેન્ટિક, યુ હેવ ટુ શો વોટ યુ આર. તો પછી આ પ્લેટફોર્મ જ્યારે આવ્યું, આઈ સેડ ઓકે, નેવર ટુ ઓલ્ડ ટુ યુ નો સ્ટાર્ટ સમથિંગ આઉટ ઓફ યોર કમ્ફર્ટ ઝોન. તો પછી મેં યુએમબીમાં જ્યારે અપ્લાય કર્યું, આઈ વન અ સેકન્ડ રનર અપ મિસિસ ઇન્ડિયામાં મારી કેટેગરીમાં. એન્ડ દેન એના પછી because of the platform only, I went to Dubai Fashion Week for Manish Malhotra show. And પછી Paris, Milan, we went to walk. Last month, May I walked Cannes red carpet.
Oh, you went to Cannes also?
Yeah, I went to Cannes.
So how many contestants were there in this?
I'll be going September આગળ New York Fashion Week છે, London Fashion Week છે, એ બધામાં we'll go for the fashion weeks. But pageantry yes, you have one national pageant and you have an international pageant, and international pageant I've got the title and I've got the crown back for India, I should say. So, training બહુ કરી હતી. I was being trained under the best. Tanvi છે, she is very good in walk, so she had trained us. We'd gone to Pune for training that. Dr. Rita Gangwani કરીને છે, she is a ex-lieutenant retired officer, and she was training us for the question answer, speech, personal introduction and everything. And in terms of kapda, and UMB was always there to guide us કે શું કેવી રીતે કરવાનું, because they are more experienced than what we are. So when Mrs. Earth came, there are different platforms के आप जा सकते हो, but Mrs. Earth was something more authentic. It was with a purpose. So we had to take an advocacy topic. So જ્યારે હું અહીંયા AMC ઓફિસરને મળવા ગઈ હતી, બચ્ચાપાની સરને, and I understood from there કે ગુજરાતમાં કે ઇન્ડિયામાં what is the issue which is happening. So waste segregation was a major issue કે કચરો ગીલો અને સૂકો કરીને તો એ મેં એડવોકેસી ટોપિક લીધું હતું મારું. And I had made reels around that. I showed a lot of work over there. અને એ લઈને I had gone there.
Okay.
પણ અહીં અત્યારે એવું કહી શકાય
Different. Rather than just walking in, normal clothes. And post coming also and all that time, I used to continuously keep training નીચે banquetમાં જઈને મારા ઘરે. Believe નહોતું થતું but it was something, આખી flashback journey આવી ગઈ હતી in front of you from where I started and where I have reached. And immense support, family સિવાય તો possible જ નહોતું. So
પરિવારનો પૂરો સપોર્ટ
बहुत. I think they say every successful man, a woman is there. I can proudly say my husband is there for all my success. My mother was there. My parents, both my sister. As a family, they've supported me like anything.
So what brought you here in the glamour world?
Always had a dream of, as young girls have, to get into this side, but never got time because of family commitments, job, and children and all. But then now that my son is old enough and I've got time for myself and is well settled in life, I thought let me try something which is not what I have ever done. But there is no harm in trying because I feel age should never limit your dreams.
What was exactly the criteria and what qualification is needed for Mrs.
Qualification means you had the age criteria that I had participated as elite Mrs. India. I had obviously won Mrs. India in December as a second runner-up on the pageants. And criteria as you had to work on your advocacy, you had to pick up a topic showing what you've done for Earth. And if you win, what will you be doing for the entire coming reigning period of yours. I thought why not Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, which is already done by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, and that is where I picked up solid waste management and segregation at source.
So what are the questions exactly asked from you and what tips you want to give to the other women also?
Other women, I would say believe in yourself. Anybody can do if they really want to do. Questions asked was around sustainability, fashion, how can you, we as women have so many clothes and how can we reuse because we do not have that habit of reusing or upcycling and all. So the question was around the advocacy around all this stuff.
So what specially preparations you had to do? Like wearing a gown or wearing sandals, height? What difficulties were there?
Yeah, wearing 6 inches or 5 inches of heels which you have never done, wearing that with immense leg pain, but then you had to keep going because you have to eventually achieve your goal in life. And from 14 to heels is the journey, I should say. It's like a marathon. You have to keep running till the time you don't reach your destination.
Yeah, that's true. So in school times and in your college times, have you ever taken part in like a fancy dress competition or something?
Yeah. I've always been very active. I have participated in a lot of elocution competitions. I love doing Garba. So I participated in national patriotic competition, Garba competition,
And the fashion show?
fashion show. I had done it once in my college, but I was never much into it, and probably that's the reason I never thought about it because our focus was more on studies at that point of time. But when I got into pageantry, I realized that it is not less than doing it is very tough. I mean, less than doing a CA or I was feeling I was preparing for an UPC exam as if because there were so many question answers and you don't know what will be around.
Yeah, exactly hobbies, singing, dancing, what?
I love dancing.
Wow.
I love working out.
Uh-huh.
I have made it a passion. It's like my passion to work out. I feel if I don't work out, my day doesn't go well.
Yeah.
And it is because I feel my health is my priority, and every woman should feel that.
That's right. And the tips what you want to give to our Guju women?
Guju women, eat healthy, do mindful eating. I think we feel, to get into a diet is to leave everything. Either you do crash diet or, we eat too much. But a balanced diet, I think, is very important, and that's the best way to reduce and not even let your skin impact, not let your hair impact, because that is very important in any way.
Anyway, in 90s and the Gen Z, what difference you find?
Gen Z are more, I feel, to the point. They know what exactly they want. They don't beat around the bush. 90s kids, 90s we are still, no, we are shy. We think more about the society. We think कि कौन इसको खराब लग से.
We are carrying natures and
We are more
emotionally.
emotionally attached to the people around us.
That's right.
The Gen Zs are not. I mean, they know what they want in life and they're very clear about where they want to reach.
Right.
They don't take time to decide things. They are very quick.
So who designed your dress for this pageant?
So there were various designers because there were various rounds into that. The finale gown was from Minthua, Vietnam designer, and national costume was done by House of Six because we had to present about Earth and the mythology, something connected to India. So that was done by the wedding team. And UMB pageant stayed in and out for all the other outfits. It's from various designers that I have worn. It's me, Soumya, and all.
So carrying this gown, and was it heavy?
Any responsibility, I think, is heavy because you have to deliver after winning.
Yeah.
You cannot win and sit at home and not do anything about the platform that has given you this thing.
Yeah, that's true.
So yes, throughout the year, I want to focus more on the waste segregation topic that I have picked up. I've already spoken to the municipal commissioner. I've spoken to the municipal team, and I've told them wherever I can get associated with their team, go to schools, educate the society, the communities, and contribute as much as I can.
And what are your future plans now?
Future plans, I want to get into influencing, get into brand collaborations and all, and see how it takes, because my job is always there, but this is as a passion. I want to follow both of them together.
Any plannings for Bollywood? The way to Bollywood?
I don't know, but if something really good happens, I do not mind taking that as well.
You speak very nice Gujarati also. So which languages are comfortable for you?
Hindi, Punjabi, Gujarati, English. Gujarati because અહીંયા જ ભણી છું, but બહુ સારી રીતે નથી બોલી શકતી, but yes, હા,
અને બહેનપણીઓને બધા હોય.
હા, તો ના, ઇવન ગુજરાતના એજન્સી છે મારી, તો પોતે વેન્ડર જોડે વાત કરવામાં ગુજરાતી બોલવું પડે છે, તો આવડી જાય છે બોલવાનું.
તમારા મેઇનલી કોમ્પિટિટર કોણ હતા? કયા કન્ટ્રીમાંથી હતા?
So the competition was Russia, then USA, UK, Singapore, Japan, Sri Lanka, Malaysia. So there are 42 participants. Yeah, across Northern Europe, Canada. So they were all there. So the competition was really tough.
So total there were 3 rounds?
Yes. There was, you had even personal interview. So you had personal interview, then you had the national costume round, you had the fitness round, because they truly believe that fitness is very important for women.
Right.
If you are not fit, how can you keep the people around you happy and take care of them? And then you had the evening round.
Okay, so this was your responsibility to carry all these things.
Absolutely.
So what was the feeling like? Wearing a gown and wearing the crown also, and with that responsibility of your city, of your country, how you feel?
I feel immensely proud, and I'm really happy and grateful to God that I think gratitude is the best thing that you can do. The God has been kind enough to give me the platform to make me reach where I am today. Always the family support. I think the support that my family has immensely given me has given me so much confidence to go and compete on the international platform. They were there like a rock support for me.
That's right. Thank you so much
Thank you
talking
so
with
much.
you. It was nice and great. Have a great day.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Pleasure is mine. Thank you.